Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use Simplify to manage your money. So the very first thing that we should do here is we have to visit the Simplify website. So to do that, you just have to open any of your web browser. Okay, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Simplify. That's right. And then you have this first website at the very top, so you just have to click on this one. That's right. And then after that, you just have to create your account if you don't have an account yet. So right here, you just have to type out your email address, your mobile phone number. Okay, so this one helps secure and verify your account. And then you have to create your password. After that, you just have to click on create account, and you just have to verify your account by going to your email account and then check for the verification code. Then after that, right here, let's talk about the pricing first. So for the Simplify, we have mobile and web. So this one is billed um yearly. So yeah, we have 50% off. So this one is a $2.99 per month. Okay. So what you're going to do here is to click on the get started option, and then after that you just have to log into your account. Now, right here on Simplify, as you can see, we have the yearly billing. So, what I'm going to do here in this video, I'm just going to show you the features of the Simplify tool. Okay, so right here, features and tools to help you reach your goals. Okay, so let's focus here on this section. So, let's go to the features. Okay, now for the budgeting, you always know what's left to spend and save. So you have to visualize your income, bill subscription and savings, and always know how much you have available after expenses. So treat yourself guilt free or route it to a rainy day fund, no guesswork required. And here, saving goals, supercharge your future plans. So you can create custom saving goals. You can commit cash, track your progress, and see it through. So whether you're putting money aside for retirement or saving for a kitchen remodel, Quicken Simplify helps you get there faster. For the reports, so we have deeper data for smarter financial decision. So with the pre-built reports and filters, the Quick and Simplify gives you better insights faster. Get categorized breakdowns of spending, saving, and income, or customize it to your needs. So, future, you will thank you. Now, for the investments, smarter insight, stronger portfolio decisions. So, you can view your portfolio in one place and turn insight into action with tools like cost basis, performance analysis, and real time codes. So, navigate market changes like a pro and make every move count. Now, for your net worth, so your complete net worth at your fingertips. So, with data from your connected accounts, Zillow integration for your home, and manual add for anything else. So, Quick and Simplify gives you a complete picture of your net worth that you can track over time. So, for the intuitive interface, so views that work for you. So, you can customize what you see in the app to filter and visualize your most important info. Also, dark mode makes it easy on the eyes. So we have here the sample. Okay, so here plus every essential you expect, simply done better. So here, you can connect to over 14K financial institutions. So Quicken connectivity is second to none, helping you get your finances fully and completely integrated into your account for the most accurate picture. So you can see where your money is going, you can track your upcoming bills and subscription. Okay, so here you can keep tabs on where and how you're spending and automatically categorize all your transactions and easily identify any spending issues. And you can adjust as necessary and keep your budget on track. Now, you can track your upcoming bills and subscription. So, late fees, history, So with Simplify, you can stay ahead of all your due dates for things like rent and credit card payments and view all of your subscriptions and no more forgotten ones. Here, you can secure sharing. We have credit score, refund and return tracker, Zillow integration, and dark mode. Okay, so here you can see how Quicken Simplify stacks up. Okay, so here, if you are going to choose this plan, we have Quicken Simplify. This is about $5.99 per month. So it works with any budget style, spending income, savings, and net worth, along with the extensive customization and performance over time, cost basis, and real time codes. Okay, so right here, switching from another tool, so easy data import for fast setup. Welcome aboard. So we're glad you're here. Do not miss a bit with Quicken's simple data import tool and pick up your right where you left things. Okay, so here's Smart Simple and built to help you succeed. So this one we have $2.99 and this one is actually billed annually for the pricing. Now let's go here on the overview. So the Quick and Simplify, it is a smarter finance tool with better insights, budget, save, plan, and reach all of your financial goals. So here we can navigate and elevate your financial life with Simplify. That's right. So we have an paralleled organization so you can connect all of your accounts with ease and keep your finances tidy and less hassle, more clarity. So you can stay in the know with AI auto categorization and real-time alerts and better insights for better decisions. So plan for today and tomorrow with in-depth custom report and analysis. And we also have flexibility to fit your changing life, easily update your goals, budgets, data, and layout, all adjust for you. So basically, the Quick and Simplify is a great tool to help you manage your money because it gives you a clear picture of where money goes. It tracks your income, spending, and savings all in one place, so you don't have to check different apps or accounts. This makes it easier to see if you're sticking to your budget or spending too much. So, in certain areas like food or shopping. So, with this, you can quickly adjust your habits and make smarter financial choices. And another advantage of using the Quick and Simplify is that it helps you set and reach your money goals. For example, if you're saving for a trip, a new phone, or an emergency fund, so the app lets you create a plan and track your progress. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.